Hi, and welcome to the Zoom setup course. Thrilled to have you in. I think this is going to be very impactful for you. And this video, we're going to just cover the groundwork of what you need to know going in so you feel mentally prepared and ready for the meat of the content. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Jeremiah. I'll be your instructor for the entirety of the course. And a little bit about myself. I founded Muse-Minded in 2014, and over the last few years I've really been working to put together a very efficient, very effective accounting system and knock out a huge pain point for Amazon sellers, trying to get their data all in one place, make it meaningful. And so what I'm here to share is what I call my family recipe. It's a recipe in that it's a repeatable system and process. But it's not just something that I ripped off of someone else. This is my own family recipe. It's personalized. It's what our firm has developed and created over the last few years of being in the trenches with Amazon sellers. And I also say here that as your instructor, I'm totally here for you and available for you. So if you ever feel like you get snagged, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help you. I really want to help make this course a huge success and maybe make this an inflection point in your business where you really started to scale your operations. So the first thing we'll go over is, who is this course for? Well, this course is for Amazon sellers. It's for e-commerce sellers whose primary focus is on Amazon. So it doesn't have to be your sole focus. Maybe you have a Shopify store, eBay store, something like that. That's okay. And actually the bookkeeping course would go over some processes on how to handle the sales, the revenue, and some of those other channels. But this course is really built if your primary focus is on Amazon, and specifically if you're a third-party seller. So you access Amazon via Seller Central rather than Vendor Central or Vendor Express. And then this course is meant for Amazon sellers that are looking to run as a business rather than a hobby. So there's nothing wrong if you just want to sell kind of part-time and make a little cash here or there. That's a-okay, but the software that we're going with, it's kind of assuming you're in this for the long haul and you're looking to scale your operations, because we're using some pretty high-powered software. It's very automated, so it really wouldn't make a whole lot of sense if you're not trying to build a business that's looking to scale. This is what the accounting system is going to look like. In the center you see Xero, the accounting software. This is going to be the hub of the entire accounting system. And to the left you'll see online banking. So what we're going to end up doing is taking your credit cards, your checking, savings, PayPal accounts, and we're going to set up direct connections so that your transactions will flow in automatically without you having to key them in one by one. Huge time savers right there. Then at the top right you'll see Amazon. We're going to have your sales data from Amazon and all the fees, everything that gets taken out before you get paid. We're going to have those line items flow through a tool called A2X Accounting, and that plugin is going to push that data directly into Xero for you. And then at the bottom you're going to see 3 different bolt-ons that we're going to discuss in the bonus section. Tax jar for sales tax, inventory lab for handling different inventory value issues, and then shoebox at the bottom right is kind of a preferred receipt capture software that a lot of my clients enjoy using to keep track of their paper trail. So the major highlights: setting up Xero, we're going to optimize it for Amazon. We're going to make sure your bank connections, those feeds, get properly connected into Xero. And then I'll show you the process for importing past transactions. So when you set up those connections, it's going to go back about 2 or 3 months. So if your business is older than 2 or 3 months, you're probably going to end up needing to import past data. And I'm going to walk you through that process. And then finally, we're going to have connecting Seller Central via the A2X plugin. That's going to kind of round off the major sections of the setup course. And then in the bonus topics, we're going to discuss bolt-on software that I was discussing in the previous slide. So I guess what's important to mention here is maybe what's not included. So if you're looking for how to do bookkeeping, the monthly processes, the checklist, how to use the tools day in, day out, that's not what this course is going to be about. That's actually what the next course is about, part of the bundle. So this course is actually going to be all about how do we get a fully integrated accounting system, how do we set it up properly, so that we can get ready to begin the bookkeeping process. So kind of the big idea is, how can we lay the automation foundation for your accounting process? And one final note here is, feel free to totally speed up the playback. Just listening to the audio and hearing myself talk, I feel like I'm talking fast, but then when I listen to myself, I realize it's painfully slow. So what you can do is hit that gear icon at the top of the course platform software. That drop-down menu would show you a speed option. I think you can speed up the playback by up to 2 times normal speed. It takes a minute to get kind of adjusted, but I think you'd be pleasantly surprised at how fast you can listen to playback and still totally understand everything. So here's just one way to maybe make your learning a little bit more efficient. That's a wrap on this video. I'll see you in the next one.